So in this video, we're going to be looking at dividing polynomials. There's no easy way to do this, so let's just get right into it. Let's say we have a polynomial that is 3x cubed minus 5x squared minus 7x minus 1. Right? And let's say I want to divide this. I want to divide this by x minus 3. So what I'm going to do is the old-fashioned way with the division. I'm making myself some space there. So we have x minus 3 that we want to take out. So let's go over this step by step. So what I'm going to do first is look at just this first term, x, and this first term here. Can I divide 3x cubed out of x? And the answer is yes, because 3x squared would be what would be left after that. So I'm going to put 3x squared up here. Now that I have this 3x squared, I'm going to take this 3x squared and multiply it by this entire x minus 3. So if we write that out, 3x squared times x minus 3, I end up with 3x cubed minus into that 9x squared. So what are we going to do now? We're going to take this right here and put it here. 3x cubed minus 9x squared. And we're going to subtract this. So these will cancel and I'll be left with a 4x squared. And what happens after that? These come down and I'm left with negative 7x minus 1. So what I'm going to do after that is the exact same thing I did the first time. I'll take this x and this 4, which will be 4x times x. So this 4x is what I can divide that by. So I'll have plus 4x. And now when I multiply that 4x times x minus 3, I get 4x squared minus 12x. So I'm going to write that here. 4x squared minus 12x. I'm going to subtract that. These will cancel and I'm left with 5x. And then guess what? This will come down again. This will come down. And then we'll try it again. And I'll get a 5. I can factor a 5 into this first term here. So 5x minus 15 is what I'll get. And then subtract that. These will cancel. And you're left with 14. So 14 is the exact same thing as writing, once we've divided x minus 3, we've taken that out, we're left with this up here. 3x squared plus 4x plus 5. But we have this plus 14. So that is our divided product. And we can actually expand this and simplify it, and we'll actually end up with this again. That is the miracle of long division. So let's try another one. Let's do let's just get this right. X to the power of 4 minus 2x cubed plus, I want to say this is okay. This is what we're going to tackle this time. You might be confused as to why there's this here. Well, this problem is actually this x4 minus 2x cubed plus 5x plus 3 divided by x squared plus 2x plus 1. There is no x squared in this numerator here. The reason why we put it there though is for formatting. This actually means nothing. It's 0 times that. There's nothing there. So that is how, or like one thing to notice before you start putting these out and start doing this. Another thing, these should be in order of highest degree to lowest. So if you ever see a problem where it's 5x plus x to the power of 4, put the 4 first, go from highest to lowest always. So let's start. Let's put x squared into x4. I know we can get x squared out of that. So then we have x4 times that entire thing. X4 times, x squared times this, the divisor. So we'll have x4 times 2x, which will give us plus 2x cubed plus 1x squared. Because 1, just putting the 1 there. Let's subtract that. That will cancel. That will give me a double negative because I'm subtracting. So I should get negative 4x cubed. 0 minus 1 is negative 1x squared. And I'll bring down the next one. Now let's do it again. Let's take the x squared into the 4x cubed. And I know I can negative 8x squared minus 4x. So I subtract that, and then I'll get 7x squared plus 9x. Bring down the 3. Let's do this again. X squared into that, I'll get a 7. So then I'll multiply the 7 there, so 7x squared plus 14x plus 7. And I'll be left with negative 5x minus 4. So what does that leave me with? The remainder being that. So if we were to rewrite this entire thing, if we rewrote it, it would be, let me just fix this up here. We would have the x squared plus 2x plus 1, x squared minus 4x plus 7, minus 5x minus 4. That is what you would be left with after dividing this polynomial by this polynomial. You'd have this polynomial factored out. This is what would be there, and this is the remainder. So that is all for me to show you in this video. I can leave you guys with the problem here. If you have this polynomial, 13x minus 2x cubed plus x4 minus 6, find out if x plus 2 is a factor of this. That is my homework for you. Go crazy. X plus 2, sorry. So yeah, leave it in the comments and have fun. That's all for this video. I shall see you in the next one.